And I'm coming to you today with a recipe twist on HOBO Stew. It is a nice easy meal that you can brown your meat first thing in the morning, throw it in a crock pot so that when you come home you have a nice hot meal ready and waiting for you. Our ingredients for the HOBO Stew is you need a pound of ground meat. Your choice what you want to use. I prefer hamburger meat because it's quick and easy to get. After you've browned your meat, you want to add a small onion diced up and a tablespoon of minced garlic. Mix it all well, about 3 or 4 minutes, and then you'll sprinkle it with a little bit of flour so that your stew is thickened. After all of that is done, you'll put it into your crock pot. You'll add a can of sliced potatoes, a can of corn, a can of green beans, and a can of diced tomatoes. After you have added all of your canned goods into your crock pot, you'll want to add a cup and a half of beef broth, a couple of dashes of Worcestershire, a few dashes of hot sauce depending on how spicy you want it. I like mine really spicy, so I add a few more than just a couple. My twist for the recipe is I add some A1 sauce. You want to add some Cajun seasoning and a little bit of salt and pepper to taste. And after a long, hard day at work, you can come home and your supper's nice and ready for you. All you have to do is get your bowl, get your crock pot open, and spoon some into your bowl. And I like to put a little dollop of sour cream on top of mine, a little bit more hot sauce, and supper's ready. Enjoy!